Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pyntbit subscribe ya u Antor News.
Vision hub hak ubay person kari India ujak dia dan kar ulabu yang mono dalam tak kami skill but innovation hub kanto trik banai una risau hakijin dalang ulat kejala UCHBJ kar menteri rumba kejala ukada ki sama but kementeri kekia kada utar amparin vice president haba plan baru yang CM business catalyst student plan challenge baka IM slow udah li bercengaru jemput ina hak state convention center slow dia kan ke skill and innovation hub on sana hak ceka keba nanti point san besau akar hanu slow hak jenglut keba nyop point san keluar sengka kani kadi keceka keba penpiang kejeng nakam ikut samla minta kejeng penmi kejeng hikai cintai langbat haki kam karhana haba kada hendak sina kaliang ubas person garan dia ujak dip dan kar ulai ro yang menteri rembak kejelau kedat ke sama halar kijing rap ki skim per ban penroi ya kisap ka pon jeng samla kinang sunong kejala ulong ba kam ke ba kledo jong kari kum kinong sinsari naduk ka dulmu ki bapat hakerdan nak kantai ke bade kari lum kabanikong menolong ke presiden kari India nak kaliang presiden vice president kari India ula ajeng raru ya ka kong ai norang kepada ke DGP jangan salah dalam meklia ma ko dai kawai pedang ki kenuhun rilum kebayak bat ini kedan kebayak du hapo kajala susu ula ongru baka skill dan bisa hap kaniat dan ti ha kajing jengai ban kentiu ya ki kam kisan ki jam ha dalam meklia ula kemeru baka human resources jong kajala kanyo kajing kersan dah kajing don jang tiga cekah kajing pencebet jang samla kadai kajing penengkam ha kapor babiang vice president kari India ulah orang bau menteri rembak kari India udah modi ulah player kajing kang jangki samla player kelat kunti baki skill na kajing isap nai kata ban sedang gikam kicam la pencebet belamang hadun ri kulo cengka na mentab pembet biang ya kisanluk ya kisanlak ngut ki samla ka kisan selang dan wan kari
Thank you, sir, for doing us the honors.
Where's the bed? But just the battery. And battery will be chargeable after how many hours? Depends the bed. And where do you get the types? Complete bake.
Basically, skill development depends on very skills mobile.
Sequential content.
But the good thing is that the kids are जाएगा भाई इधर आएगा तो थोड़ा नीचे products like lamps and products again so all business all of you
I think you can come that side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Sir, please up front.
Yeah.
Sir, picture. You crushed the search. You crushed it.
Yeah.
क्या पीछे मार
He's absolutely.
Yeah, very much.
And he looks much younger than he is.
पीछे
And his father was a dear friend of mine.
But in rural areas, especially when it comes to food processing, we realize there's huge opportunities. So this is just one picture of one of the food processing units that has come up. And we are taking products from the farmers out there, and we're making local ice cream, local juice, local chips, in this particular location.
Will be able to get employment locally, which will be a forward step to the state towards vocal and local slogan of our visionary Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. Sir, few of the things, one or two more issues I have to bring it to your notice. In case of Meghalaya, sir, it is hub of tourism. It is not only hub of tourism, it is hub of Ayurveda. And in case of, I am from Karnataka as you know, but whereas in case of Meghalaya, it is 8.7. It is highest in the country, I tell you. In our area also, we used to grow pepper, but only black pepper we used to grow there. But here, I think probably this is the only area we are able to find white pepper. We are going to get white pepper here also. So in case of tourism, in case of Ayurveda, many more opportunities are there. In that way also, seriously we have to think about it. On behalf of the people of Meghalaya, I once again welcome you on the maiden visit to the state and wish you a pleasant, enjoyable.
He wants to be in the 85% category. I have to look at my category. You are lucky. But let me assure you all, and the Honorable Governor pointed out, the demographic composition of the state is very soothing, wholesome, and is a perfect recipe for success. The teenage youth, the mid-level youth, the mature youth, and the 15% category. 15% category is also good cholesterol required. A visit by legislators to Indian Parliament will make all the difference. It will add value to their work pattern. The subject we will be contributing hugely to the growth of the nation. And therefore, this has to be done. Skilling by itself is capacity building. I have seen for myself. We don't take the first step. We fear it. We fear it thinking it is difficult. Let me tell you, there is no step which our youth cannot take. All are equal. You must be guided by your attitude and aptitude. But therein, if you get an idea in your mind, please don't make your mind as a parking place. Your mind is meant to be a crucible of innovation. Try it. It's a remarkable achievement that will be game changer. What I saw here, and much of it is already in progress, I can visualize the days of this state are for the better and role model for other similar states. My congratulations to you and your team for being very thoughtful, futuristic, and taking into consideration our contemporaneous needs and requirements. Congratulations.